Welcome to the Python Technical Programming Language quiz. If you feel confident in Python, test your basic knowledge. We start with 3 foundational questions. Q1. Who is the founder of the Python programming language? Q2. What is the official website? Q3. What is the documentation website? Let's move on to questions about key Python libraries and modules. Q4. What is the NumPy library used for? Q5. What is the Matplotlib library used for? Q6. What is the Pandas library used to work with? Q7. Which built-in module is used for debugging? Q8. What are the logging levels in the built-in logging module? Now let's look at some language fundamentals. Q9. Is Python a case-sensitive programming language? Q10. Which statement can be used to find out the soft keywords of Python? Q11. What are the Python programming language container types? Q12. Which category of container type does list belong to? We continue with questions about built-in functions. Q13. What does the id function return? Q14. What does the type function return? Q15. What does the zip function return? Q16. What does the load function return? Let's continue with the technical quiz. Question 17. Does Python support multiple inheritance? Question 18. What is the method resolution order in Python? Question 19. What is the index error built-in exception class used for? Question 20. What is the lookup error built-in exception base class used for? Please share the number of questions you answered correctly without reference in the comments. Also, like, share, and subscribe to the AnyTry channel. Thank you for watching this video. Share your ideas and thoughts with speedjot.com.